How to prepare for a busy life movies fast, and those who want to make the most of it must prepare themselves to. A busy life is not just about filling every moment with tasks. It is about balancing efficiency, purpose, and well-being. Many people think that being busy means constantly working, but true productivity comes from smart planning and self-discipline. To live a fulfilling and busy life, one must focus on time management, maintaining good health, developing the right mindset, and continuously improving skills. Number one, mastering time management. Time is the most valuable resource we have. Unlike money, once time is lost, it can never be regained. Therefore, effective time management is essential for a busy and successful life. First, setting clear priorities helps prevent feeling overwhelmed. Every day, we are faced with multiple tasks, but not all of them are equally important. Learning to differentiate between urgent and important tasks is key. One of the best techniques is the Eisenhower matrix, which categorizes tasks into four groups: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. This method helps people focus on what truly matters. Second, creating a daily schedule improves efficiency. Successful people often plan their day the night before or early in the morning. Using a planner or a scheduling app can help track tasks and deadlines. The Pomodoro technique, which involves working for 25 minutes and taking a 5-minute break, can also improve focus and productivity. Additionally, learning to say no is an important skill. Many people become overwhelmed because they accept too many responsibilities. Understanding personal limits and focus on essential tasks is crucial for long-term success. Number two, maintaining good health. A busy life requires a strong and healthy body. Without good health, it becomes difficult to maintain energy and focus. First, eating a balanced diet provides the necessary nutrients for the body and mind. Foods rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats help sustain energy levels throughout the day. Avoiding too much sugar and processed food prevents sudden drops in energy. Drinking enough water is also essential for concentration and overall well-being. Second, regular exercise is crucial. Physical activity not only keeps the body fit but also reduces stress and improves mood. Even a 30-minute walk or stretching session can make a significant difference. Many successful people, including business leaders and athletes, prioritize exercise because they understand its impact on performance. Finally, getting enough sleep is non-negotiable. Some people believe that sacrificing sleep will make them more productive, but research shows that lack of sleep leads to poor decision making and decreased efficiency. Aiming for at least 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night helps maintain long-term productivity. Number 3, developing the right mindset. A busy and successful life is not just about external achievements. It is also about inner strength and resilience. First, having a growth mindset is essential. People with a growth mindset believe that skills and intelligence can be developed through effort and learning. Instead of fearing failure, they see it as an opportunity to improve. This mindset allows individuals to adapt to challenges and keep moving forward. Second, staying motivated is key. One effective way to stay motivated is by setting both short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals provide immediate direction, while long-term goals give a bigger purpose. Visualization techniques whereon imagines their future success can also boost motivation. Additionally, surrounding oneself with positive and supportive people makes a huge difference. Negative influences can drain energy and confidence, while supportive friends and mentors provide encouragement and guidance. Seeking inspiration from successful individuals through books, podcasts, or interviews can also keep motivation high. Number 4, continuous skill development. In a fast-changing world, learning never stops. Those who want to stay ahead must continuously develop new skills and adapt to changes. First, improving communication skills is crucial, whether in personal or professional life. Effective communication helps build strong relationships and prevents misunderstandings. Practicing active listening, speaking clearly, and expressing thoughts confidently are valuable skills. Second, staying updated with new knowledge is important. Reading books, attending workshops, or taking online courses can help expand one's skill set. Many industries are evolving rapidly due to technology, so be adaptable and willing to learn is necessary for long-term success. Finally, managing stress and emotions is an essential skill. No matter how we plan life is, unexpected challenges will arise. Learning stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or journaling can help maintain a calm and focused mind. Conclusion: living a meaningful and productive life. A busy life is not about doing as many tasks as possible. It is about doing meaningful work efficiently while maintaining balance. By mastering time management, taking care of health, developing the right mindset, and continuously improving skills, anyone can prepare for a successful and fulfilling life. True success is not measured by how much one does, but how but how effectively and purposefully one lives. A well-prepared life leads to not only productivity but also happiness and personal growth. Therefore, preparing for a busy life is not just about working hard, it is about working smart, staying healthy, and continuously evolving.